Hello everyone. Today let's see the computer functions and computer system architecture. Computer functions. Computer is responsible for performing four basic functions: input, processing, output, and storage. Every computer has special parts to do each of the jobs. Whether it is a multi-million dollar mainframe or a $1,000 PC, it has the four important components: input, memory, central processing, and output. Information or data that is entered into a computer is called the input. It sends the data and instructions to the CPU. It accepts the information from the user. Next is processing. It is the sequence of actions taken on data to convert it into information which is meaningful to the user. It can be calculation, comparisons, or decisions taken by the computer. Output. It makes processed data available to the user. Storage. It stores data and programs permanently. The computer has memory chips which are designed to hold information until it is needed. Function. All computer functions are comprised of four basic operations: data processing, data storage, data movement, and control. Data processing. The basic function of any computer is to process the data. It describes the arithmetic and logic operations performed on that data. Data storage. There is a short-term data storage and long-term data storage function. File of data are stored on the computer for subsequent retrieval and update. In long terms, logging and data records are being stored. In short terms, temporary variables and program control data are stored. Data movement. The computer must be able to move data between itself and outside world. The computer operating environment consists of devices that serve as either sources or destination of data. There are two types: peripheral and data communication. When the data are received from or delivered to a device that is directly connected to the computer, the process is known as input or output, and the device is referred to as peripherals. When data are moved over long distance to or from a remote devices, the process is known as data communication. Control. Something needs to monitor operation and maintain control of data processing, data storage, and data movement. There is an automated control of computer's resources inside the computer. Computer function. The program to be executed consists of a set of instructions stored in memory. CPU executes the instructions specified in the program. To understand more clearly, the simplest point of view is to consider the instruction processing as consisting of two steps. One is fetch and another one is execute. The CPU fetches instruction from memory one at a time and it executes each instruction. The processing required for a single instruction is called an instruction cycle. There are two steps: fetch cycle and the execute cycle. The program execution halts only if the machine is turned off or a program instruction that halts the computer is encountered. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos. Program execution halts only if the machine is turned off or some sort of unrecoverable